Hey, what is up you guys? Tim here. In today's video, we're going to talk about my essential tech everyday carry so far for the year 2024. These are my grab and go tech and accessories when I'm out and about running errands, shopping locally, and going on food runs. If I knew ahead of time that I was going on a longer day trip or flying out of state, I'd carry more with me, but these are pocketable EDC items where I'm literally running around in my slides, going from point A to point B. Light, minimal, and efficient. You feel me? Starting with my phone of choice, the iPhone 15 Pro in black titanium. For the most part, your phone is going to limit what gadgets you'll be carrying around with you, depending on whether or not they're a part of the Apple ecosystem or the Android ecosystem. I have been using iPhones for a good amount of years and have decided to stick to it this year as well. I love the new titanium build. It's now lighter than previous Pro models and is easier to hold in hand. When I upgraded from my iPhone 11, I wanted to make sure that I made the right choice for my usage. After testing out both the Pro and Pro Max models, I decided to keep my 15 Pro due to its smaller form factor. While I'm happy with my decision, I honestly don't think I'm utilizing its Pro features as much as I thought I would daily. I was looking forward to the new action button, using ProRes log, and the ability to use Type-C accessories. Yet to this day, I hardly ever use any of those features except for the fact that I charge with the new USB-C port. I don't find myself using the action button as much, and using ProRes log isn't something I use daily due to the amount of storage space it eats away. But since it is the Pro version, the 120Hz Pro Motion display and 3x zoom lens is a nice upgrade for daily use. This is actually my first experience with a phone that has MagSafe. I'm not being dramatic when I say that MagSafe has truly changed the way I use my phone. From charging stands, car mounts, and even my wallet now utilizes MagSafe. The 15 Pro never leaves my side. If it isn't in my hand, it stays in my pocket. I have been rocking this leather case and wallet combo from Andar for a couple months now. Both products are made out of 100% full grain leather, and I don't know what it is, but it has such a good smell to it. Their phone case, the Aspen, has a soft microfiber lining that gives the case a premium touch. The case fits like a glove, and I love its minimal branding. It features metal buttons on both sides and a strong magnet for MagSafe compatible accessories. The case is lightweight yet durable from those accidental drops. But this is the Mag, Andar's take on a leather wallet that reduces the unnecessary bulk of thicker wallets. Having your essential cards with your phone at all times have made it so much more easier and simple for grab and go situations. It could hold up to 2 cards, and since most of the local stores around me accept mobile payments, I've opted to only keep my license and Tesla keycard with me. I wish it could hold 3 cards so that I could also carry a physical credit card in case Apple Pay doesn't work, but for me personally, I'd rather be safe than sorry in case my phone dies. I'm not trying to get locked out of my own car. The Mag makes the perfect pair with the Aspen, and they've been an amazing duo as part of my EDC rotation. Leather is known to patina over time, where it'll develop uniquely different patterns and textures that gives it more character. I'm excited to see how my case and wallet are going to look in the next few months. And of course, if you'd like to check out Andar's leather goods yourself, you can use the code Kairos for 15% off your purchase. Up next, keeping in line with the Apple ecosystem, my Apple Watch Series 7. Not the Watch Ultra 2? Surprised? Yeah, same. I haven't pulled the trigger on any new Apple Watch because my Series 7 is still working just fine. The Apple Watch is basically a mini iPhone on your wrist. You can call and send messages, run different iOS apps, it gives you notifications, and most importantly, keep track of your health activity. I don't work out as much as I need to, but man, this thing will motivate you when you get a notification of your friend closing all their rings. I try to keep it on me at all times so I can close my rings and be that one motivational reminder for my friends, when I can at least. I also find the Apple Watch is a great EDC for commuting, giving you a preview of your route and allowing you to control your Spotify player. Without the use of any case, my Apple Watch is still going just fine with minor scratches. I've already mentioned how much I love using my AirPods in my travel tech pouch video, but when I'm out and about on daily runs, I usually carry it along with me wherever I go. Listening to music and watching content using active noise cancellation is amazing. The sound quality of the AirPods aren't the best in its class, but it sounds great to me, especially when I'm waiting in a lobby or having to make an important phone call. The AirPods are lightweight and easy to access, which makes it so convenient to carry around. I am atrociously known for misplacing anything and everything, but the capabilities of the Find My app help me locate my AirPods by direction, distance, and can even play a sound like an AirTag. This feature alone is one of the main reasons why I continuously choose my AirPods over other earbuds. An easy choice for everyday carry. The sound of keys jingling and rattling is one of my pet peeves. As a solution, I figured it may be worth looking into key organizers. I've tried a couple in the past, but have recently been using OrbitKey. I have their organizer in black leather and it matches well with my Andar accessories. I've used to maybe carry about 4 to 5 keys, including a key fob, but ever since I got my Tesla, I no longer have to carry a key fob around. My keys aren't something that I necessarily always keep in my pocket, but instead I keep this in my car so that I have it accessible with me everywhere I drive. OrbitKey also have this small, handy little keyring that allows me to easily add or remove things from the set. I attach an AirTag to help locate my keys, but honestly, I've been trying to declutter and reduce the amount of keys that I bring to keep things as light as possible. It's a simple set, but I love the functionality, keeping my keys neat and silent. The last item I carry with me isn't a tech item, but it's the Rayban Clubmaster Sunglasses. A timeless frame design. I have it in black with gold accents, and I love that you can easily dress this up or dress it down. With 100% UV protection, I'm able to freely walk and drive around without being blasted by the sun. No crazy designer glasses here, but Rayban has great build quality. The hinges, nose pad, and overall frame feels sturdy when in use or in my pocket. That's pretty much all the essential tech EDC that I bring with me. It's a shorter video, but I hope this gives you ideas on what you can bring with you on a day-to-day basis. It's pretty much what I can fit in my pocket. It's all about efficiency, allowing me to grab and go. I'm sure I'd rotate a few items here and there as the year goes by, but this is what I have been using as of late. If you're interested in any of these products at all, I have links down in the description for you to check them out. See you all in the next video.